the government ought to understand that the problems we have in this country is not even the federal government, it's the state government.
Yes.
The governors of state, in my state,
which is where?
Delta State.
Delta.
An oil producing state.
Yes.
And in Ndokwa, as we speak, we've not had light for the past 20 years. In my village, Etwa, where I came from, there have never been light.
Fighting for light in
the village.
Atoji's.
Yeah. See, my village.
Where?
My mother's village.
Okay.
Ndokwa
Umukwata has light.
Umukwata is my father's village. Small.
There's no light.
There's no light. But Ndokwa West and Emuno,
that whole axis.
And you don't think that the government of Delta State should be responsible?
The government of Delta State should be responsible because of the new law that the state government can now generate power.
Yes.
So the Attorney General of the Delta State should be able to come up with a framework for which this should be done. That's the reason it's Attorney General. You understand? As I talk to you, my village predated 13th century. We've never had light from that time to date. And so we should say the government have succeeded. I don't know how to say what is not. The government have failed. So what it needs to do is to redirect it full step to give the citizens what they deserve.
How can people be living without light? I'd like to give you this opportunity to speak on that really quickly, on the issue of Ndokwa with no light.
Yes. Now, Ndokwa have no power supply. And in 2005, President Olusegun Obasanjo, former President Olusegun Obasanjo, came up with this IPP, Independent Power Plant, which he said that should be stepped down in Ndokwa within 50 kilometers radius across, because we are oil producing, we are an oil-bearing community, you understand, which is supposed to be working by now. But that project, that gazette and that approval, the date have not taken off. Okay, so what led to the protests was that the people got to a point after 20 years, they are now saying that this step down must work. It's not the one that the deputy governor came here to talk about when he was talking about the BDEC. That BDEC is about power holding, which you won't even have light. The one approved for us by the federal government is the issue of the IPP. And that IPP has not commenced the date. What's our offense? We're oil bearing. Our contribution to the energy resources of Nigeria is unsurmountable. Ndokwa have the highest, the highest gas deposits in the whole of Africa. We have oil capacity. We have 7 oil companies working in that region, and you don't have light. And then the light is generated from Ndokwa, stepped down in Obosi and transmitted to Aso Rock and other states. So these states have light, they have electricity. We that have the resources, the location where this whole thing is coming from, do not have light. What kind of injustice is that? It's a severe, the kind of injustice that make people to take arms against the state. But because we are very peaceful people, the Ndokwa man had the protests.
Yes, but now they did a protest, and the governor had promised that in 2 months there will be electricity. So what's happening now in that area?
From that time he made that promise.
From that time
he made that promise to today, there's no light. There's no light. Means he just said it just to appease the psychology of the citizen.
Have you done your investigation? Have you gone to the government hub? Have you spoken with the governor?
Very well. We did our investigation. Yes. Now, the excuse they gave was that the person whom they awarded the contract to went and got substandard products. And those substandard were, as they were ongoing with the process, they had to stop them and arrested the contractor. That's the excuse they gave us. But you know, a government...
So they're working on it. Is that what you're saying?
There's work on the BDEC, not the IPP, not the step
Which he
down.
said he will do after he does the BDEC. That's what he said on the show.
Yes,
right?
That's what he said. But they've not gone anywhere. They gave us a timeline. They have failed on the timeline. They've not come out to tell us why we don't have, because what the people are interested in is not the details of the contract.
Yes.
The people are interested in power supply.
Good.
Okay, so the details of the contract and all the hitches is the business of government. Government must resolve it. But the people want to see power, electricity, and they don't have it till date.
All right. So
and when we talk, they say we are making noise. The deputy governor said the protest was a noise. It cannot be noise.
It's your right.
It's our right, yes, under the law. It's a human right.
That Ukwuani man said that his community called Etwa in Ukwuani land don't have lights for 20 years. He said that so many other communities in Ukwuani land for the past 20 years, they don't have lights. We are not talking about other infrastructures like hospitals, universities, polytechnics, college of education, good road and all that. We are just talking about light here, just light alone. The Ukwuani man said that the government of Delta State is responsible for not giving light to Ukwuani people because the new law have given state governments the power to generate light for their states. But Delta State government is doing nothing about it. The last time, the government of Delta State bought 65 SUVs for traditional rulers. But Ukwuani land does not get light. Ukwuani land is backward, but they see money to buy SUV. The law have given state governments the power to give light to their people. IPP means independent power plants. Now federal governments and private ventures now get them. The government of Delta State has no power over the IPP because the IPP is a private venture. But Senator Nwoko have been doing everything possible to see that Ukwuani people have access to light. Waiting come make Ukwuani people they feel say if Senator Nwoko give us Anioma State, say we Ukwuani people not go benefit more. Ukwuani politicians are not even doing anything to see that Ukwuani land have light. All they know how to do is make people they call them honorable, make it they carry their head. Yet you are not doing anything honorable to Ukwuani land where you came from. You are not doing anything for Ukwuani people that supported you to become what you are today. Delta State government is constructing a 1.3 kilometer flyover at Uromi Junction in Abo for a total cost of 59.7 billion naira. The project awarded to Julius Berger Nigeria PLC is designed to alleviate traffic congestion and improve road safety, with completion expected in approximately 14 months. Here, based on reports, the Okpai Independent Power Plant IPP Phase 2 step-down project in Delta State is estimated to cost approximately 30 billion naira. Delta State governments have the money to build a flyover in Abo worth 59.7 billion naira. But they can't build the IPP project for Ukwuani people that's worth 30 billion naira. When we say that Ukwuani land don't have politicians that are representing them, some people go be like, no, they talk like that. Ukwuani politicians, their eye open. Government not fit build for Ukwuani people something of 30 billion. But they won't do flyover that's worth 50-something billion naira. It's so shameful. Ukwuani will not get light for the past 20 years. More than 20 years, they just they talk 20 years. For more than 20 years, Ukwuani people don't get light. Ukwuani land is bigger than the entire Ika land. Ukwuani land is bigger than the entire Oshimiri and Anyocha land, known as Enuani land. Ukwuani land is bigger than the entire Enuani land. Yet, Ukwuani land not get light. This is why I'm telling my Ukwuani people that it's only Anioma State that will give we Ukwuani people everything that we are craving for, everything that we are agitating for. Just imagine, flyover can't dey important past the welfare of Ukwuani people. Ukwuani people hardly benefit in this Delta State. All the time, marginalization. Waiting we Ukwuani people do the government of Delta State. Now we they feed Nigeria. Now we they feed Delta State. Yet, nothing to show for it. Our land be like war zone. Crude oil they spoil our water. We not get hospital. We not get good road. Light we not they get. No federal or state projects with the Ukwuani land. Everything they just do for Ukwuani land now. Promises where we say they know they ever fulfill them. Like the man talk for them now. Say now the super deck they do. After some time, they stop the work. IPP, they know they talk of that one. They know they talk about IPP. The Ukwuani man said that the deputy governor of Delta State called Monday Onyeme said that the protest that Ukwuani people did in Kwale few months ago, that they are making noise. This Monday Onyeme, that is the deputy governor of Delta State, is from Onitsha community in Ukwuani land. Now Ukwuani person him be in people they protest for Kwale community say they no get lights for the past 20 years. It is their right to protest, a very peaceful protest. Now him come out they talk say the protests na noise, say those protesters are making noise. On that day that Ukwuani people are protesting, police come start to dey shoot them. Then they shoot them gun, then they shoot them tear gas. Bullet touch some people. Everywhere tear gas. The bike of so many people were burnt. Police were supposed to dey protect protesters. Now then they shoot protesters. Then they protest say we need light oh. For the past 20 years we not get light oh. Instead of police to carry their motor, they follow them for back. They make sure say na peaceful protests. No, they start to dey shoot. Person go come dey in country, they live like slave. That statement made by Monday Onyeme shows that this man not get the interest of Ukwuani people. She na ended that day the whole rope where the governor of Delta State they cut the rope. Say one share motor give traditional rulers. Then they share motor they give traditional rulers, and people where be say now their land they generate the money where they buy those motor they give traditional rulers not get lights. In the entire Delta State, the region that have the most wicked politicians is Ukwuani land. Our politicians are very wicked. Wicked people. People will not know whether their people they suffer. Now these same politicians from Ukwuani land now sign against the southeast zoning of Anioma State. This suffer what would they suffer for Ukwuani land, so some Ukwuani politicians are benefiting from it. They benefit from her. See, the then Woko don't talk say you go like construct the dam where they abandoned for Ogwashuku. There's a river in Ogwashuku called Obo River. Now that water nice in the Woko they talk say you go like to construct dam for that place where go they generate lights they give all those regions. These are reasons for Ukwuani people to support the creation of Anioma State. Because the government of Delta State not care about Ukwuani people. This is not all about Ukwuani politicians alone. Delta State government not get time for Ukwuani people. Government of Delta State not go talk say they not they see wetin Ukwuani people they pass through. As he be say our politicians for Ukwuani land not know their left to right. Delta State government suppose answer Ukwuani people. At least give them light. Una no go talk say una not see the protest where Ukwuani people protest for Kwale. Where una send on a police, may they go they shoot Ukwuani protesters. Protesting in Nigeria is now a suicide mission. You go protest, you know go come back. Mondo Onyeme they talk say protest where Ukwuani people go protest for Kwale, say na noise that they make. Oya game oya. Ukwuani we mado. Ukwuani tobono now. Mado ade no Ukwuani. All the time Ukwuani banyeze, if you come the Ukwuani, there is nothing Anyeze in Ukwuani land where you go see with your eyes. Ukwuani Anyeze na just hyping. Anyeze will not get light for 20 years. Anyeze will not get federal poly. They not get state poly. They not get good road. They not get good water. They not get schools. Primary and secondary schools not good. Is that Anyeze? The worst part of it is that so many youths in Ukwuani land are confused. All these our politicians for Ukwuani land when don't know their left or right now. They go still they campaign for those politicians to go back again. Go they represent them. As Ukwuani people they pass through this suffering now for Delta State. Some Ukwuani people, the people where they hate pass. Now we where they agitate for Anioma State to be created as zone to the southeast. As we talk of Anioma State now, some Ukwuani people they don't want to take their ear here. Because that word southeast, they put fear for their body. Propaganda where enemies don't spread finish, don't chop their brain. What are the arguments of some Ukwuani people? We don't want just Southeast to may they not the rulers, so may they not be our governor, may they not be our senator, may they not start to control our resources, so may they not do this, may they not do that. Have you ever heard that Anambra State is the one controlling Ebonyi State? Every state in the southeast are the ones controlling their own resources. But some Ukwuani people are afraid, saying that these are the reasons why they don't want Anioma State to join southeast. Make we take because of all those things where not the reason where not they exist. Make we take because of and give up on Anioma State so that we not go benefit the things where they come for states. If we actualize Anioma State, the country go dey hear about Ukwuani. Anioma State is made up of 4 Igbo regions: Ukwuani, Eka, Oshimiri, and Anyocha. We know say now only 4 of us go dey inside this Anioma State. They make decision. Our brother said that Ukwuani land is the one supplying light to Abuja, to Obosi in Anambra State, and to some other states in Nigeria. Yet Ukwuani land don't have light for the past 20 years. You dey give people light and you don't get light. The only thing that will give Ukwuani land everything that we are lacking today is Anioma State. Because once we get Anioma State, that university will not get for Ukwuani land, we go get them. That federal or state university will not get for Ukwuani land, we go get them. Federal or state hospitals, we go get them. Federal or state polytechnics, we go get them. Federal or state college of education, we go get them. We go get good roads. That light where we not get for 20 years, we go get them. As Ukwuani people see say, government of Delta states, they won't construct flyover for Abo, we worth 59.7 billion naira. Over IPP step down, worth 30 billion naira. That alone supposed ginger Ukwuani people to support the creation of Anioma State. May they come out for the hand of this Delta State government. Delta State governments where they neglect Ukwuani land, and Senator Nwoko where they agitate for Anioma State where go benefit Ukwuani people. Which of them better pass? Now Senator Nwoko mean well for we Ukwuani people. Person wants to make una get state, make una get on our own senator. Ukwuani go get 1 senator and 2 House of Reps members. Eka go get Oshimiri and Anyocha no na say no and go get. Positions where they this Anioma land, Ukwuani people go occupy those positions. Oshimiri, Anyocha and Eka, they go occupy those positions. Since the history of this Delta states, there have never been an Ukwuani governor. Now only this Mondo Yeme where be deputy governor of Delta State, now be the highest where Ukwuani person don't reach for Delta State government. But if we get Anioma State, Senator Nwoko have promised we Ukwuani people that the first governor of Anioma State will be an Ukwuani person. Those Ukwuani people that are against the southeast zone of Anioma State should think about all these benefits of Anioma State to we Ukwuani people and have a rethink. We they say we not get light, we not get road, we not get good water, we not get schools, we not get infrastructure. Now this Delta State government go give Ukwuani all those things. People whenever fit give us common light, na tertiary institution they can't give us. As big as Ukwuani land, there is no federal or state hospital, and we are saying Ukwuani Bwanyeze. Delta State will not fit give us light. When they go take give us infrastructure for Ukwuani land. Ukwuani never achieve one thing. Nothing where Ukwuani people they agitate for today, where they don't ever achieve. Is that not enough reason for Ukwuani people to know that South Delta State is not the right place for them to be? This South not favor we Ukwuani people. We are being marginalized. And as we agitate for Anioma State, some Ukwuani people they say we want it to be in the South. You want to come out from Delta State where be South, make you enter South again. Make you deal with people where be say, oh nah, and them not be the same. Don't you know that this South that we find ourselves today is survivor of the fittest? If we get Anioma State this South, we not go get the same agenda with other tribes where there, because South is made up of different people. Politics where Urobo people they play now to better Urobo land, not be to better Ukwuani land. And that is why they have state universities in Urobo land. Urobo get university, Isoko get university. They get polytechnics. But all those things not the Ukwuani land, and all of us they the same Delta states. Are you now telling me that if we join the Southeast, that we won't get all those things in Ukwuani land? Of course we will get all those things. Person where they complain of marginalization, if you see anything where go come out from that marginalization where he dey, he go grab that thing. This is why Ukwuani people are expected to grab Anioma State. Stop using emotion to play politics. Ukwuani people don't know how to play politics. If you go meet our Okpaluku for Ukwuani land, they tell them say whether make the zone Anioma State go south or south. Our Okpaluku go tell you say what we want is for development to come Ukwuani land. Say anywhere where they want zone and go, make the zone and go. As far as say we Ukwuani people are comfortable, we Ukwuani people are growing and developing. As far as say good thing the enter Ukwuani land, so far na make we get that Anioma State. Make that good thing they come. Now waiting our Okpaluku go tell you be this. Okpaluku don't play politics. In Ukwuani culture and tradition, we don't play politics. What we do is we follow the culture and tradition of our people. So that thing don't affect Ukwuani land to the extent that we not sabi play politics. You there for Delta State they suffer. Your emotion they tell you say, we no want join Southeast to make we there for South. You where they suffer, now you they complain of marginalization pass. You they talk say you don't want join Southeast. Knowing fully well that now only through Southeast we go take get this Anioma State. Delta State governments they neglect Ukwuani land. Ukwuani politicians they neglect Ukwuani land. And that is because not be Ukwuani people they choose all these politicians where they represent us for that place. Because if to say now we elect these people, may they go represent us for that place, Ukwuani land not go deal like this. By now we for achieve one or two things for Ukwuani land. Small time now, the government of Delta State will initiate another project. Maybe for Orobo land, for Isoko land, for Isekiri land, for Ijo land. They not go down for Ukwuani land though. And after everything, Ukwuani people go still come and they complain, hey, we don't get this, we don't get this, they marginalize us. So. Why Monday Oyeme not go talk say that protest where Ukwuani people protest for Ukwuani, they demand say they want light. Why Monday Oyeme not go talk say na noise when they make? He go say they make noise because the only thing we Ukwuani people know is to complain. We not get this, oh, we not get that, oh, we are being marginalized, though. Make we play politics where we come out us from this marginalization. Make we get Anioma State. Problem. Ukwuani people wake up. Why go chinti share yeswe? A word is enough for the wise. We Ukwuani people should support the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning and put an end to all this marginalization that we Ukwuani people are passing through in Delta State. Ishewale.